Hi, Excel enthusiasts! Welcome to another episode where we make Excel work for us. In the previous lesson, we learned how to enter and format data in Excel. Today, we're diving deeper into the heart of Excel, calculations and formulas. Not only will we cover how to sum, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers, but we'll also explore two essential methods of calculating, using direct numbers versus cell references, and why cell references are an Excel user's best friend, especially during edits. Let's get started. I'll walk you through both methods, typing numbers directly and using cell references. Watch closely. Let's do some quick math. Typing directly, if we want to add 100 and 200, we simply click on a cell, type 100 to 200, and press enter. Excel gives us the result immediately. Performing calculations this way is straightforward but has a major drawback. If our numbers need updating, we have to rewrite our formulas. Not ideal, right? Let's see a smarter approach. Instead of typing numbers, use cell references. Place 100 in cell B1 and 200 in B2. Now select another cell for the result, type equal B1 plus B2 for addition, and press enter. Excel does the math using the cell values. Here's where magic happens. If you change the value in B1 or B2, the total in our results cell, B3 updates automatically. This dynamic adjustment is why using cell references isn't just recommended, it's crucial for efficient Excel work. Now imagine doing a monthly budget where figures constantly change. With cell references, updating your entire sheet can be as simple as adjusting a few cell values. Let's try it. Let's create a simple monthly budget example in Excel using cell references, which will include categories for income and expenses. This example will illustrate how dynamic the spreadsheet becomes when utilizing cell references for calculations. You can follow these instructions to set up your own budget. Step 1. Label your rows and columns. In cell A1, enter description. In B1, enter amount. In C1, you can leave this column blank or use it for notes. Step 2. Input your income. In cell A2, type monthly income. In B2, enter your total expected income for the month, example $3,000. Step 3, list your expenses. Starting from cell A3, list down all your expense categories. For example, A3, rent, A4, groceries, A5, utilities, A6, internet, A7, transportation. Next to each expense in column B, enter the estimated cost for each. For instance, in cell B3, $1,000, rent. In B4, $300, groceries. In B5, $150, utilities. In B6, $60, internet. In B7, $100, transportation. Step 4, calculating total expenses. In cell A8, enter total expenses. In cell B8, add cells from B3 to B7 by adding cell references, or you can use the sum function by entering equal sum B3 to B7 and press enter. This will calculate the sum of all your expenses. Step 5, calculating remaining balance. In cell A9, type remaining balance. To calculate the balance, subtract the total expenses from your income by entering equal B2 minus B8 in cell B9 and press enter. Utilize cell formatting to differentiate between headings, income, and expense items for better visual tracking. The formula overview. Cell B8, total expenses, equal sum B3 to B7. This adds up all the values entered as expenses. B9, remaining balance, equal B2 minus B8. This subtracts the total expenses from your income, showing what's left. Now, by using cell references, if any income or expense amount changes during the month, you don't have to manually recalculate your total expenses or remaining balance. Simply update the changed value in its respective cell, and Excel will automatically update the rest based on your formulas. This makes managing a budget flexible and efficient, allowing for real-time adjustments and what-if scenarios. Today's lesson highlights a foundational concept in Excel, calculations using direct numbers versus the power of cell references. Understanding and applying this can dramatically enhance your Excel efficiency. In our next lesson, we will delve deeper into essential Excel functions such as AutoSum, minimum, maximum, average, and count, unlocking even more powerful tools for your data analysis and calculations. happy excelling, and see you in our next lesson.